Hey friends, welcome to Soulful Adventures. I'm Hina. Let's see what are the cards for our last zodiac sign, and that is for Pisces for the month of December 2020. Right now I'm shuffling cards for you guys. Let's draw some cards. Okay. The first card, the second one, the third card, associated cards. Oh, whoa. Okay, and the overall energy is of Wands. Ace of Wands for Pisces. Let's begin with the Ace of Wands, the overall of energy, what we have for the month of December 2020 for Pisces. Ace of Wands is an energy where there is a new ideas, new thoughts. It means this is the time where you need to start working as an inspiration to others. It's a time that you have an ability to manifest things, whatever you decide, whatever you think related to your passion. Be as passionate as you can in the month of December, Pisces. This month it's going to be very manifestive kind of month, where you have to manifest at most all the positive possibilities in your life to achieve your goals, because your overall energy is Ace of Wands, new beginning to your passions, with lot of abundance coming towards you. Whatever you manifest, you have the ability to create it. Already Pisces is a creative energy, okay? So you have this ability to create whatever you manifest in the month of December. Manifestation is in your mind this month. So try to manifest as much as you can for all the goals you want to complete in your life for the month of December. With this, we will begin with the first card reading, that is Death or Rebirth card. So the beginning of December month start with accepting certain things has to end, accepting that some people in life are not permanent, some things in life is not permanent. There needs to be end for the rebirth. We have to accept that death of some things, death of some ideas, of some people or something, or maybe removal of those toxicity in your life is a rebirth, a new beginning for yourself. Without accepting those endings, those death, we cannot expect any rebirth or new beginning. So this month, your beginning of December starts with accepting the truth of certain endings and then beginning with a new life, a new fresh start. What card is associated with the Death or Rebirth card is Two of Wands. Yes, there might be choices. Yes, there might be pressure or stress related to the choices. It means that you might be tested. You might be tested a lot in the month of, Two of Swords is an energy where you might be feeling, confused. It means it's like choosing a difficult option. Yes, definitely, because accepting that certain things need to end or certain endings has to happen is a bit painful or much painful. It's hurting. So I completely understand accepting this situation of some things in life to end is a difficult task, and with this difficult task comes choosing whether to stay in a trauma, past trauma, or whether to move ahead, how to move ahead. It's a very difficult situation where you have to choose a new option, choose a correct option, and there is much of manipulation involved, or maybe much of thoughts involved. And Pisces are much thoughtful. It's a water sign, so yes, they are having a tendency to go deeper into thinking, and that's the way they they think. So it's a water energy again water energy, Scorpio energy. But yes, finally you have to accept that certain things in life end, and that's the way the new things come into our life, and you have to go through this painful situation to select this difficult option in the month of December. But trust me, you have overall option, the overall energy of wands, Ace of Wands. This is your manifestation coming true, guys. So what we have next card as the Devil. Now the Devil card is the addictions card. It means that you completely know that if you take the charge of yourself into your own hand, you could be freed from this devilicious attitude. If you are drinking too much, if you are smoking too much last few months, stop it immediately, or please reduce it, because those addictions is the devilicious atmosphere. The devil is holding you, and it's not, it's just a superficial hold, Pisces. It's not someone is tightly or for the addiction or addictive energy, where you need to be in your own control and not let everything happen, go with the flow kind of energy. If you are being depressed, or if you are upset right now, addictions are not the solution. So if for lately, if you are drinking too much or smoking too much, stop it immediately, or just reduce the number of rounds you are taking it, or anything, but don't be addictive. Okay, because this month, December month, when you have a complete manifestation charge in your hand, if you manifest it wrongly, there is a possibility the devil catching you. The devil indicates the addictions, the toxicity in life, the manipulations. So try to run away from it. Okay, as much as you run away, the Two of Pentacles, you will get more opportunities regarding your financial stability, regarding your career, regarding your health. So you just have to focus correctly on like what I need to do, how to balance these two aspects. You have lot of work to do. Okay, Pisces, in the month of December, very practically you have a lot of emotions to get over, and you don't have any time to go for these addictions. If you fall into this devil's sweet talks or sweet time, what he is showing you, the magic, the what I can say, the devilish magic, the evil magic, if you fall for this, you fall prey for this, you are not going to look for another opportunities. Those opportunities which are going to free you from this devilish attitude. So you need to focus forward and not fall for anything which is going to get caged, okay, in future. What we have next is King of Cups. King of Cups is an energy which is very gentle, very high emotional intelligence. They are very caring, nurturing kind of energy. So once you have completely accepted the past has been completely over, you have started a new beginning, and when you have chosen a difficult option in life, spiritually also you go very high. Okay, once you go very high, you have this opportunity to become more stable, more gentle, more caring, more nurturing towards yourself and towards others. You try to accept love from others, you try to offer love to them. Okay, so finally you are on that level where you can accept and offer love to each other. Okay, what card is associated with this King of Cups is Seven of Pentacles. Now Seven of Pentacles is an energy where you know that you need to put some effort to grow yourself. It's like you have already been put effort in your stability from past few years, past few months. Now is the time to show the gratitude. Now is the time to harvest those plants. You have been taken care. So when it is associated with King of Cups, understand, with this love your career will flourish. Okay, with this caring attitude, with this gentle, polite attitude, if you nurture your finances, if you invest properly, if you do charity, if you think for others also with yourself and not being selfish, then yes, you are going to harvest the sweet fruits of your own efforts and own gentleness. And this month you have to manifest this positive things, the positive vibes, because this is in your hand. The manifestation is in your hand. The possibilities, the very positive possibilities, as much as you can imagine, you just have to manifest, and then you are going to get or yield the fruits of your own efforts. So with this, we would be meeting in our next month reading for the month of January. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.